The Wholesales Smd 3-pin Kailh box Silent Pink and Silent Brown switches present an intriguing option for keyboard enthusiasts seeking a blend of performance and durability. These switches are designed to provide a silent typing experience while maintaining the responsiveness that users expect from high-quality mechanical switches. With their unique waterproof rating of Ip56, they offer an added layer of protection, making them a suitable choice for various environments. Key features of the Kailh box silent switches include their silent operation and compatibility with Cherry MX switch mounts. The Silent Pink variant is particularly designed for linear action, providing a smooth and quiet keystroke, while the Silent Brown variant offers a tactile feel without the pronounced click, making both options appealing for users who prefer a more subdued typing experience. Their robust construction also contributes to their reliability, ensuring consistent performance over time. In practical use cases, these switches are well suited for a variety of scenarios, from office environments where noise reduction is essential to gaming setups where responsiveness is key. The waterproof feature enhances their versatility, allowing users to work or play without the constant worry of spills or moisture damaging the switches. This makes them ideal for individuals who frequently consume beverages at their desks or for those in high humidity areas. Regarding design and usability, the Kailh box silent switches are compatible with a wide range of keycaps, allowing for customization according to personal tastes. Their 3-pin configuration enables easy installation in most mechanical keyboards, enhancing user experience and convenience. The construction of the switches also reflects a commitment to reliability, ensuring that they can withstand extended periods of use without performance degradation. In conclusion, the Wholesales Smd 3-pin Kailh box Silent Pink and Silent Brown switches offer a compelling combination of silent operation and durability. Their thoughtful design and practical applications make them an excellent choice for both casual users and serious gamers alike, providing a reliable and enjoyable typing experience. Whether in a quiet office or a bustling gaming environment, these switches stand out as a dependable option for enhancing keyboard performance.